Excavator Max. This is a playground. Look, there is a tractor here. He brought new eggs with surprises. And here is the excavator Max. He found a ball.
Oh?
Hi, Max. Do you want to play with us? Then let's go. Look, this green egg has a surprise inside. We'll hide it, and you'll look for it, okay? Now turn away and don't look. Where can we hide the egg? On the slide? No, it will roll down from it. Behind the blocks? No. Maybe there? Great idea! Max, we are ready. You can go and look. It's cold.
Oh?
Cold. Go on.
Oh?
Cold too. There is no surprise there. Now warmer. Warmer. You almost found it.
Hey!
Let's think together. Which one is green? This one? No. Maybe this one? Also no. Here is the green egg. Let's open it. Max, are you ready to put these pieces together? Cabin. Tail. These are skids. And 2 screws. We've built a helicopter.
Hey!
Let's see how it flies. Awesome! Max, come again next time. Let's play again.